Question is, use distance formula to show that the points 8, 1, 3 minus 4, 2 minus 5 are collinear. In this question, let points be A 8, 1, B 3 minus 4 and C 2 minus 5. We have to show that 3 points are collinear using distance formula. So we first find the 3 possible distances. AB is root 3 minus 8 whole square plus minus 4 minus 1 whole square, which is equal to root 25 plus 25 equal to root 50. That means 5 root 2. BC is root 2 minus 3 whole square plus minus 5 plus 4 whole square, which is equal to root 1 plus 1 equal to root 2. And AC equals 2 minus 8 whole square plus minus 5 minus 1 whole square equal to root 36 plus 36 equal to root 72, which is equal to 6 root 2. We notice 6 root 2 equals 5 root 2 plus root 2. That is, AC equals AB plus BC. As one distance equals sum of other 2 distances, hence points are collinear.